All right, let's say you're looking at a data channel and you want to do some math on it. Like, for example, let's say we wanted to turn inlet manifold pressure into boost, or a simple change. We just want to scale the sensor. First thing we could do, we could right click on the channel. We could go to scale and offset. We could offset by -100, and that gives us a result for that channel of 0 at 100 kPa. So now the pressure that we see on the manifold when it goes above atmospheric will be like you see on a boost gauge. So that's a scale and offset. Let me put that back normal again. So now we have the channel back to where it was. So let's say we want to do a math channel that's separate from the inlet manifold pressure channel so that we don't affect it. We go to Tools, we go to Maths. It'll default probably to the user math file. You can either use this and add an expression here, or if you want to keep track of your math some way, you can create your own math. Test maths. Now we have a test maths workspace math, which could be exported to somebody else's computer, for example. Okay, so let's add an expression. Let's call this boost. The quantity is going to be pressure and stress, so we'll go find that on the list. The display unit we want in PSI. The result unit here can be kPa because the program can automatically convert from one to the other. Let's say we want the color to be, probably not light blue. Let's try green. So let's say, for example, we'll take inlet manifold pressure and we'll subtract 101.325 because that's the local barometric pressure at sea level. So we'll take away sea level barometric pressure. The result of this math equation will be kilopascal. It will convert that to PSI and call the channel boost. So let's click OK. Click close. Now we'll go over the channels list, see if we can find boost on the list. There it is. It indicates that it's a math channel because it's got this little calculator symbol next to it. And lo and behold, now our boost pressure reads 0 at 100 kPa. And of course, I probably have a data file open where it never goes into boost. Maybe not. So what do we have here? Sometimes we snap the throttle. There we go. And it's created this boost channel based on my math from the inlet manifold pressure channel.